Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see a summary of The Habit Blueprint, 15 Simple Steps to Transform Your Life by Patrik Edblad. If you're ready to start living your best life and making a positive impact in the world, let's dive into the summary of The Habit Blueprint, 15 Simple Steps to Transform Your Life. Introduction. The Habit Blueprint, 15 Simple Steps to Transform Your Life by Patrik Edblad is a self-help book that offers readers a practical guide to creating and sustaining good habits. The author emphasizes the importance of habits in shaping our lives, noting that our habits ultimately determine our outcomes in areas such as health, relationships, and productivity. While creating new habits can be challenging, the author believes that anyone can create and sustain good habits by understanding the science behind habit formation and following a proven process. The book provides a 15-step process for creating new habits that can transform readers' lives, drawing on research from various fields, including psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral science. The introduction sets the tone for the book, highlighting the potential for transformation that comes from creating and sustaining good habits, making it a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their lives through positive habit change. Section 1, The Science of Habits. The first section of the book explains the science behind habit formation. The author describes how habits are formed through habituation, in which neural pathways in the brain connect behavior with the cue and reward. The section covers the different types of habits and emphasizes that habits are not inherently good or bad, but their outcomes depend on context. Understanding the habit loop, cue, behavior, and reward, can help readers identify triggers and find alternative behaviors that provide similar rewards. The author also stresses the importance of consistency and small incremental changes for forming new habits. This section provides readers with a clear understanding of habit formation and effective strategies for creating and sustaining positive habits. Section 2, The Habit Blueprint. The second section of the book presents the 15-step habit formation process, which the author calls the Habit Blueprint. Each step is presented in detail, with clear explanations and practical examples. The steps include: 1. Define your goal, identify the specific habit you want to create or change. 2. Identify your why, understand the reasons behind your goal, and why it's important to you. 3. Create a plan, develop a clear and actionable plan for achieving your goal. 4. Start small, begin with a small, manageable action that you can do consistently. 5. Set triggers, identify specific cues that will remind you to perform your habit. 6. Eliminate obstacles, remove any barriers that might prevent you from performing your habit. 7. Find support, seek out people or resources that can provide encouragement and accountability. 8. Practice mindfulness, stay present and focused in the moment while performing your habit. 9. Track your progress, measure and record your progress to stay motivated and on track. 10. Celebrate success, acknowledge and celebrate your successes along the way. 11. Adjust your plan, make adjustments to your plan as needed to ensure continued success. 12. Stay consistent, stick to your habit even when it's difficult or inconvenient. 13. Overcome temptations, develop strategies for dealing with cravings and temptation. 14. Get back on track, bounce back from setbacks or slip ups with resilience and determination. 15. Make it a habit, Turn your habit into a permanent part of your life. Section 3, Putting it into practice. The final section of the book gives practical advice and strategies to help readers put the book's ideas into practice. The author advises on staying motivated, dealing with setbacks, and finding support. He suggests focusing on the benefits of the habit and creating a supportive environment. The author also provides tips on how to maintain consistency, avoid falling back into old habits, and recommends further reading and accountability partners. In conclusion, The Habit Blueprint offers a comprehensive and easy-to-follow 15-step process for creating and sustaining good habits. The book is well organized and provides practical examples and clear explanations that make it easy for readers to understand and apply the concepts discussed. One of the notable strengths of the book is the author's emphasis on the science behind habit formation, which helps readers to gain a deeper understanding of the underlying mechanisms of habits and how to effectively change them. Overall, The Habit Blueprint is an excellent resource for anyone looking to make positive changes in their life by developing and maintaining good habits. The book provides practical strategies, tips, and tools to help readers overcome common challenges and achieve their goals. With its focus on understanding the science of habit formation and the importance of creating a supportive environment, The Habit Blueprint is a valuable guide that can help readers transform their lives and achieve lasting success. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos.